That was reality. It's finger licking good because it's just delicious and it's made from stale crepe or pancake. Join me here today for this simple and rather austere dessert. But first, let's roll our channel intro. It's where we grow, cook and share. This is Romulo and welcome to Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. Today I ate something with a strong taste. It's voila. It has anchovy sauce. It can be strong. It even has an aftertaste. So I'm fancying a dessert. I have here leftover crepe, which has been in the refrigerator for days. How about a review on how I usually prepare crepe? I use 1 cup ordinary flour, 1/4 maximum sugar, plus a pinch of salt. It enhances the taste. An optional baking powder. I don't usually use it. Just 1 egg. And add milk gradually until we get this consistency. Whisk, and then maximum 1/4 cup cooking oil to give it an even creamy taste. And whisk, and whisk. A thin application of butter or oil will help prevent the crepe or pancake from sticking to the pan. Don't overdo it, just thin. See this consistency? The batter should still flow. Lovely. It's done, and that's how easy it is to make crepe at home. FYI, chilled pre-cooked crepe or pancakes are available in the supermarket. So, how about reheating this? I'll just reheat this, and I'll come back with a surprise. Stay there. By the way, I'm going to microwave this, but you can also heat this on a pan. I'm back. Look, after 30 seconds, it's now hot or warm. I have here a very small amount of remaining vanilla. Is it vanilla? Yes, vanilla ice cream. And this is what I'm going to top my crepe with. Let's imagine that we are able to produce 2 bowls. Or 1 bowl. It's really hopeless, just 1 bowl. Okay. We can do better than this, but we're rushing. Now, I'm going to give it an even more special treatment by adding chocolate sauce. And voila, our stale crepe, enriched and made special by topping it with leftover ice cream and chocolate sauce. Who can resist this? It may be an old crepe, but look how special it has become. Life can be simple and delicious. Satisfying. Embarrassing. I won't waste that. It was just too delicious. See how easy it can be? From stale crepe to a special dessert. Join me again next time as I bring you more shortcuts and easy solutions to preparing simple and surprisingly delicious desserts. Here on Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. It's where we grow, cook and share. I'd like to see you on the next video. Thank you for joining me today. Honestly, I should have reheated it more. It's still a bit tough. Difficult to slice. I still have one piece. I'll keep this for breakfast. Yeah. It should have stayed longer in the microwave. Hello, warm welcome. This is Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. It's the place where I grow, cook and share, just like today. I'm cooking chop choy, vegetables that I grow at the garden. This is where I usually cook simple and not pretentious dishes. Dishes that I really love, dishes that I learned from my mother. I also prepare international dishes, dishes that have become regular part of my kitchen. I may not be a trained cook, but I have already prepared for big events and occasions. I even bake cakes for birthdays. Besides cooking, I also have an allotment garden. It's where I grow most of the vegetables and ingredients that I use in my cuisine. I mainly grow local veggies, but I also grow tropical vegetables like these ones. I also grow flowers and make arrangements. Simple and healthy food here on Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. It's my aim to get you inspired to be more self-reliant and to start to grow, cook and share. See you on our next videos.